Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you the answers for worksheet number 2 in science subject. The lesson is force and motion. The first question is, what is the unit of uniform velocity? The formula for velocity is distance by time. Distance unit is meter and time unit is second. So it is meter second inverse. Second question, Pallavan Express started from Chennai Egmore at 16 and reaches at Karaikudi at 23. The distance covered by this train is 560 km. Calculate its velocity in km per hour. So the started time is 16, reached time is 23. So the total time travelled is 7 hours. So the total kilometer is 560. So 560 kilometer divided by 7. So it is 80. So the answer is 80 kilometer per hour. Third question. A bowler bowled at a speed of 40 meter per second. An Indian cricketer hits the ball. It moves in opposite direction with the speed of 60 meter per second. What is the acceleration of the ball if time taken is 10 seconds? So the formula is final speed minus initial speed divided by time. So the final speed is 60 meter per second minus initial speed is 40 meter per second divided by time given is 10 second. So 60 minus 40 divided by 10 equal to 20 by 10. So it is 2 meter per second squared. So the answer is 2 meter per second squared. The fourth question is, find out the change in velocity of object between 20 second and 40 second. For the 20 second displacement is 60. For the 40 second the displacement is 150. So 150 minus 60 is equal to 90 meter per second. So fourth question answer is 90 meter per second. Fifth question, a boy riding a scooter covers at a distance of 300 meter in 15 seconds. What is the speed of the boy? The speed formula is distance by time. The distance given is 300 meter and time given is 15 seconds. So 300 divided by 15 is equal to 20 meter per second. So the answer is 20 meter per second. Sixth question, an object is thrown upward, it experiences uniform motion. Seventh question, if a body in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be in uniform motion. The answer is uniform motion. Eighth question, in a competition, a sprinter starts from rest and achieves a velocity of 30 meter per second in a time of 6 seconds. What is his average acceleration? The formula for average acceleration is velocity by time. So velocity is 30 meter per second, time given is 6 seconds. So the answer is 30 by 6 is equal to 5 meter per second squared. So his average acceleration is 5 meter per second squared. Ninth question, the basic unit of speed is meter per second. 10th question, some of the students are interested to travel to a tourist spot, Mamallapuram, from Trichy, which is at about 350 kilometers far. They compute their average speed to be 50 km per hour. How many hours did the trip take? So the total kilometer given is 350 km and average speed is 50 km. So 350 divided by 50 is equal to 7. So the total hours taken is 7 hours. The total length of a path taken by an object to travel from one place to other is called distance travelled. And 12th question, if the velocity of an object decreases with time, then the object is said to be in deceleration. So this is meaning that opposite of acceleration. So the correct answer is deceleration. 13th question, complete the table. So some of the organisms name is given here, their speed also given. So we have to calculate distance travelled. In the above table, the speed of some organism is given. What is the distance covered by them in 100 seconds? So 100 seconds time is given. So the formula for speed is distance by time. We have to calculate the distance. Hence the formula is speed into time. The speed given is 0.1 meter per second. It should be multiplied by 100 seconds. So the answer is 1 meter. For cheetah, 30 into 100 is equal to 3000 meter. For a man, 10 into 100 equal to 1000 meter. For a rabbit, 15 into 100 is equal to 1500 meter. For a tortoise, 0.08 into 100, which is equal to 8 meter. 14th question, a graph is drawn between distance and time. There are two cars A and B are with different acceleration. Which of the two is moving faster? Justify your answer. Look at this graph, distance in y-axis and time in x-axis. One car name is A and another car name is B. So, by the length of these two A and B, we can conclude that car A is moving faster. The speed of the car A is increasing with time. So, the speed of the car A is increasing. Hence, graph has a positive and increasing gradient and acceleration increases. 15th question. A car starting from rest accelerates uniformly along a straight line. If it attains a velocity of 120 km per hour in 12 seconds, what is the acceleration of the car in meter per second square? So the velocity given here, so we have to find out the acceleration. So velocity is 120 km per hour. So we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 120 km should be converted to 120 into meter. So 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 120 into 1000. Likewise, here it is kilometer per hour. So we have to convert to second. So 60 into 60. 60 into 60 means 60 minutes into 60 seconds equal to 3600 seconds. So it is 100 by 3 meter per second squared. 120 km per hour is converted to meter per second. The answer is 100 by 3 meter per second squared. The formula we have to calculate is acceleration. So for that the formula is V is equal to U plus AT. The value of V is 100 by 3 we have found here, and U is initial velocity. Initial velocity is 0. So acceleration only we are going to find out. So AT, A is acceleration and T is time. Time given is 12 seconds. So 12. 100 by 3 is equal to 12 into A. So we have to calculate A. So 100 by 3 into 12. 100 by 36. By simplifying 100 by 36 it is 50 by 18. At last the value is 2.77 meter per second squared. So the acceleration of the car is 2.77 meter per second squared. Thank you for watching, children. Please like and subscribe my channel.